Okay, Sabina, so you take the organic whole milk and you're going to just pour it into your saucepan and leave it in the saucepan until it is near the point of boiling. So that means your stove is going to be set at nearly 5, and you're going to leave it here for probably about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm going to set my timer and check it at that point. So after 20 minutes on a low heat, Sabina, it is at near point of boiling. I'm going to shut the stove off, leave the pot on the burner so that it continues to hold that temperature. As it cools down, it will be exactly where we need it in probably about 2 hours. I will come back and check it at that point. So now I've put 3 tablespoons of yogurt in the big jar, and then in the smaller jars I've put 2 big heaping tablespoons of the yogurt starter. And now I'm just going to start ladling the milk into the jars, and if I have enough milk left over, then I'll add jars. Okay, so my jars are filled, cleaned up, and the lid's put back on. Now you leave them like this for 24 hours in a warm spot. Down here the counter's fine because it's warm enough in the house, but if your home isn't real warm, try putting them on top of your refrigerator or on top of your dryer if your dryer's running, so that they're where it's warm for 24 hours. And by that point you should have yogurt.